Hey, what's up everybody? This is Cap Tactical 66. I just want to share with you guys some of the things that I carry on a daily basis, also known as a EDC. So let's jump right into it. Glock 23, 40 caliber, nothing crazy. It's got Trigicon night sights, and that's about it. That one usually sits in my Alien Gear holster, which is inside the waistband. Sweet piece of gear. I've had this for about a year, and this thing still shows like almost brand new. So, pretty sweet piece of gear there. As far as flashlight, right now I'm carrying the Olight Javelot, which is a rechargeable flashlight. Runs on a 18650. You can also put CR123s as well, and it runs just as great. It's got 4 modes. It's a strobe, and then you got your low, medium, and high. As far as knife, carrying the Gerber Auto Covert. Pretty sweet knife. I've only had this for about 3 months, and I got no complaints on it. It's just a super sweet knife. It's super sleek, and then it's just fun to play with too. So it's got that. Multi-tool wise, I carry a Gerber as well, I honestly don't think this thing has a name. This thing was issued to me like a couple years ago when I was in the Army. Just a solid multi-tool, honestly. Last thing is my wallet, which is just like a camo Velcro wallet. I got this thing like at a surplus store. Carry my concealed carry permit, Fisher Space Pen, and then on the inside you got just like your card slots, and then I carry this coin, a challenge coin, usually on me. It's like a good luck charm or whatever. That's pretty much it, guys. That's my EDC as of today. I'm gonna start to upload more videos on a more consistent basis, just showing like different things that I carry, because I got quite different types of gear. So I'm gonna start to do that. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.